This video is about side indicator lamp SL 526. Its lens is made of PMMA. This is a replacement for old or vintage MAN trucks. There is one screw here for fitment and the other screw is here. We have a metal chassis here. The holders are riveted to the metal base. It has a nice rubber gasket. There is a grommet for the wire. You can put both 12 volts and 24 volts bulbs in it. It is a good quality product which you will only get at Bajato Automotive Lighting.